Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. In the past 2 decades, international companies investing in education have started to grow significantly. From 2001, about 2.1 million international students went abroad to study. It increased to 238% in 2017, bringing about 5.13 million international students. Globally, the scale of the higher education market has exceeded 100 billion, and education has become an international supermarket. Amongst the thousands of courses scattered around thousands of colleges and universities around the world are the number of students in each course full or few. As a matter of fact, the average excess capacity of most colleges and training institutions in the world is 20%. In other words, about 1/5 of the places available in courses offered by general colleges and training institutions are empty. In this advanced era, resource sharing has become the norm for people everywhere, with private transportation sharing and services like Uber and Grab, as well as travel and short-term accommodation services like Airbnb and Booking.com. By far, no company in the world has integrated resource sharing with universities and training centers. This situation opens up a golden window of opportunity for education facilities. GUCAS was founded by Dato Joseph He, who has a Master of Business Administration, MBA, from a British university, and a Bachelor of Business Administration from the University of New Zealand. GUCAS is an online platform that integrates about 2% to 3% of the surplus places in global education facilities. GUCAS will use relevant scholarships and high commissions to provide students with benefits through study abroad agencies and referees around the world. GUCAS's platform creates unprecedented common values and benefits for the 3 stakeholders in the higher education industry, namely students, study abroad agencies, and colleges. First of all students applying through GUCAS will receive scholarships specially provided by the platform, without needing to go through a rigorous selection process. Students can automatically qualify after applying through the GUCAS website. In addition, all students applying through the GUCAS platform will also be directed to their nearest study abroad agency to obtain professional education consulting and further education services. In this regard, GUCAS provides considerable service commissions for overseas study intermediary partners. More importantly, GUCAS buys slots in its global partner universities in bulk. Universities, colleges, and training institutions around the world can use GUCAS platform to promote relevant courses to students around the world. GUCAS also provides free value-added services to students, including a college planning scale and vocational training courses, which attracts many students to the GUCAS platform. GUCAS is a platform that integrates global education institutions and training institutions, and is a leading achievement of the education industry. Today, GUCAS has more than 500 partner universities, colleges, and training institutions worldwide, and more than 1,000 admissions partners from across Asia. GUCAS sincerely invites your participation to create a successful template for the global higher education industry sharing platform. Join us now.